That's bad. I don't want a ripping slime. I must have overactivated it. Let's write on it with this pen. Yep, that's right. Exclamation point. I'm so angry, I wrote, and then I did a couple exclamation points. Totally not more than 3. Ha ha ha. So yeah. Oh, do you know what? Since it's a ripping slime, it might just be a bouncing slime. Hopefully it doesn't bounce. I want a bouncy slime. Here we go. It bounced all across the table. I have to go get it. Bye. I'm back. Woo! That bounced across the table. Seriously, like, it bounced like all the way over there. Actually in front of me. But like far, it bounced far. So yeah. And I'm gonna do a poke test. Do you hear that poking? Comment down below, Pokey Dokie, if you hear that poking. And I will scroll through the comment section, and I will see the first 3 people, actually, that said Pokey Dokie, if they heard it, poke. They will get a shout out in one of our videos. Okay, yeah. Bye. Again, it ripped.